So in the previous video, we have worked on how to import datasets with NumPy library and how to encoding, labeling, coding works for them. So how to convert the categorical datasets to the ordinal datasets. So and etc. So final you have seen here is the data type is float. We load with data type object here, then convert it to the float 32. So I'm going to work in the same task with the pandas library. So first of all, I have to load the data. So for this purpose, I have to first of all import the pandas, the pd, then read data as a data frame. Yeah. Then address is the same. Then I have to just read it, and we'll see right now the df is data frame, which you see here is age, job, marital, education, default. There's we have to remove contact and outcomes, that is unknown. We have to delete that. So I'm going to delete it. Delete dataset 1. Sorry, dataset 1, and df drop which I should drop is contact is outcome and contact and outcome. So the access should be, if you want to delete the column, we have to write here 1 as it already I told. If you want to delete the columns, you have to write the ones, and if you want to delete the rows, you have to write the 0. So I'm going to write here dataset 1. No, so we didn't run it. Dataset 1. So here you see it's, if you write the type of the dataset 1, you see it's data frame. So we are going to convert it to the float data tree. So okay, right here dataset 1 is equal to dataset 1 I log the whole, but turn it to value. So we'll see value or values, I guess values, yeah. So, and right here one, and the type of dataset one, is NumPy array. So the previews we should from scikit-learn preprocessing import label encoder, and we are going to change the categorical to ordinals. So I'm going to from column in which should be dataset 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I'm going right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, and 14. 9 and 14. So we have to change it. So dataset 1 inside column. So we have to already so here I'm going to any fit transform which dataset 1 column. So we will see what is happening right now. So we have problem for column should be here. So if I come back, and you will see all of this change to digit numbers. So I guess we have times, yeah. So I'm going to explain how to manually, I mean from scratch, do your one-hot encoding or categorical to numerical. So let's first create a dataset from NumPy. Dataset 2 NP array. So we are going to have a first should be, for example, school. Second 100. Then, for example, married. Purpose is here to have a different datasets. So high school, 200, and single, and university, or again high school could be up to high school, and again married, and finally we can write here school, another 50, another 50, and divorced. So I have created this dataset. We have problem with what exactly, I don't know. But right now I guess we have problem with markets. So we have problem here. So I've solved problem. So you see have a NumPy school, high school, school 100, 200, 200, and 100, married, single, married. So I'm going to change it. So I have to write it by script. So first F, my label, coder, for example. So we will have the dataset, and we will have the column we want to change it. So we are going to write for index and label in enumerate set dataset. What we are going to do is we have less time, so I'm going to stop it and write. So as you see here, I've changed some code, and I put this in the groups that have the same label with same index. So as you can see here, after coding, we have married, single, married, divorced. So married is 2, single is 0, married is 2, and single is